Hello everyone and welcome to our English class for grade R. Are you guys ready to continue our adventure with our animals at sea story? Let's first say her for hello. Hi Booby, how are you? Hi Gary, did you guys have a good afternoon yesterday? We sure did, and I'm sure our friends at home did too. Did you have a good afternoon yesterday? Mm-hmm. H is for hello, 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 hello. Can you wave hello? Hello, hello, hello. Wave hello to your left and wave hello to your right. Hello, hello. We all sing hello. Good morning. Right, so of course, we need to find out about our days of the week and see where we are. Are you guys ready to find out? Let's have a look. So, yesterday was Wednesday. That means today must be Thursday. That's right. And it is the 4th, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4th of June. Now, we've been learning all about June this week, and we're going to continue to do so. But first, you should know by now what letter our word June starts with. Can you tell me? Do you know, Booby? Good job, Booby. Yes, it's a J or a J for June. Can you hear that sound? So, another fun fact for the month of June. Worldwide celebrations that happens in June. Do you know the word celebration or celebrations? That is, we are having a party or we are celebrating something. So we celebrate our birthdays every year. But there's also other important days we celebrate, like it is the month of June, so that means Youth Day is a celebration. It also means that we celebrate World Environment Day tomorrow, the 5th of June. That's exciting. What are you going to do? We also celebrate in a few weeks from now Father's Day. So remember, a couple of weeks ago we did Mother's Day, but now Father's Day is coming up. So make a note in your head to make your dad something special on the 21st. How do we show 21st? Let's look. 10 plus 10 plus 1 is 21. So 10 fingers, another 10 fingers, and a 1 is 21 June. Then we celebrate Father's Day. What are you going to do for Father's Day? Moms, make a mental note. Right, so let's count our 6 months of the year. That's half of our year. Can you go? January, February, March, April, May, June. Ta-dum. What are the others? August, September, October, November, December. Do you want to do that again? Let's count them. January, February, March, April, May, June. How many fingers am I holding up? That is 6. So June is the 6th month of the year. Great job, everyone. So, of course, by now, you are feeling the cold. So I have a nice, big, thick black scarf on today and a warm, jersey. Something stuck in my throat. Sorry, grade R's. So we are in winter, in the blue space. So we're not in the yellow area. We are not in the green area for summer or the orange area for autumn. We have moved into blue for cold, for water, blue part for winter because it's cold. And we have seen these pictures before. It's for cold, there's snow, and there's our South African flag, and of course people warming up their hands at the fire drum. What are you doing to stay warm? By now we are in what time of the day? Can you tell me, are we in, is it nighttime? Did you just nod? Silly, no. Can you guys help Gary? Is it nighttime? Is it afternoon? Is it evening? So it must be morning. It is for morning because you are having a class with me. So in the morning, we do lots of things. What do you do in the morning? Gary, what do you do in the morning? Oh, you exercise. What exercises do you do? You stretch your neck. Wow. Guys, do you stretch in the morning? Do you go, when you wake up? Why don't you try and do some stretching exercises before you start your day? Sounds healthy. Right, so activity time. This way to fun. What is happening in this picture, guys? So this is part of our story that we did this week. So by now, this picture should be very familiar. What do we see? Well, I see a boat or a ship. I see some animals. Which ones? I see a bird flying. I see some trees. I see an elephant swish swashing or pouring the water out into the ocean. I see a fishy. What else do you see? So let's try and find some of our animals. How many lions can you find in our picture? Let's see. Yes, I got 1. Remember, you can answer in our chat box if you want to, or in the discussion panel. You can answer for us if you want to, or you can just shout it out or say it out loud. So yes, 1 lion. There you go. There is another picture. How many ants, for ants, do you see in our picture? So this is a nice and busy picture, moms and dads. So what we are trying to do is we are trying to find things in busy pictures. So can we count the ants? Where do we see them? They are brown. Can you find them? So there's 1 and 2. Can you find another one? I think we've got 1, 2 ants in this picture. Did you get that right? Right, another one. What do you see? So I see a monkey and a mouse and bees and spiders, maybe more than 1 mouse. I can see a lion. What else can you see? But our question says, how many bees can you find in the picture? Can you find them for me? Let's try. 1, look for the red circles. 2, or ovals, they're not quite circles. 3, 4, Do you see any others? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 bees. Did you get it right? Well done. Let's have a look at this picture. What do you see? Do you see all our animals? Look carefully. I see monkey, an elephant, some mice. I see a cheetah and a lion, Wally the whale. I see a fish. Do you see birds? Right, so how many birds can you find or see in this picture? Can you find them for me? Let's see. Are they flying in the sky? Are they swimming in the water? No. Are they on the land? Where's our birds? Well, there's one. 1, 2. There you go. I found 2 birds. Can you find more? So, this one, guys, I see 2 spider webs. Do you see spider webs? I can see them up here. Can you see where I'm showing my mouse? Very good, my pointer. Let's find out. How many bees can you find in this picture? I can see 1 bee that's looking exhausted or tired or not so sure because they can't fix the boat. Can you find more than 1 bee? I can only see 1 bee. Did you find it? Right. Let's use the same picture. How many spiders can you find for me? Let's try. So I've got 2 spider webs. So let's try and see if we can find our spiders. Are they, well, there's one. Are there any here at the bottom? Are there any here? So there's 1. Good job. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Can you show 3 fingers or 3 fingers? 1, 2, 3. Try using different fingers because it practices your hands. So let's count. 1, 2, 3 spiders. Good job. I think we've had this picture before. Can you remember it? How many mice? So remember, mice means more than 1 mouse. How many mice do you see? Let's find out. I can see 1 over there. Look, it's got a tube around it because it's scared it's going to drown. Oh no. And 1 on the elephant's hat. Can you see it? So 1, 2 mice. Good job. It's exactly the same picture. Can you find the fish for us? Is the fish in the sky? Is it flying? No, no, no. Is the fish on the boat? No. Where must a fish be, guys? It must be in the, let me hear, it must be in the water. That's right. Our fish must be in the water. All right. And there it is. So how many fish do we have in our story? We have 1. That's right. 1 fish. Great. Here's another picture. Let's find out what we are looking for. We need to find bees again. Busy, busy bees. Let's try and find them. 1. Where else? I can see 1 by the spider here. I can see 1 busy with honey. Can you see it? Are there any more? Let's look. Is this one? No, that's an ant. Is this one? That's another ant. What about this? What's this? It's a spider. That's right. And these are mice. That's right. So there's 1, 2, 3 bees. Good job, everyone. Right. How many monkeys can you find in this picture? Let's see. I can see, there's one by Wally the whale. And there's one hanging from our mast. Yes, that pole in the middle is called a mast. It keeps our sails up. So I've got how many? That's right. 2, 1, 2 monkeys. For monkey. Right, so let's try this one together. It's a little bit different. Count how many animals there are in each row, then color the dot and trace the number. So let me get my pencil here. So our elephant, there is 1. So we color here and we make 1. Let's try. How many dogs for dog do you see? That's right, 2. So how many circles do I color? That's right, I color that circle and that circle, and I make my 2 very carefully on the dotted lines. Good job. Right, now how many cats? Ka for cats. So ka for cats do you see? 1, 2, 3. That's right. So 1, 2, 3. And you can do this with other colors if you want. And then I trace very carefully on the dots my 3. Good job. All right, let's do this one together. What are those? Those are for rabbit, okay, or rabbits, okay. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's right. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we make our 4 rabbits. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What are those? 5 mice. So I trace my 5 and I color how many? 2. Oh, I go over the lines there. 3. Oh, sorry, guys. So you mustn't do what I just did. That's not pretty. 4 and 5. 5 for mice, or if it's 1, mouse. Good job. Did you have fun with that exercise? I did. So we had 1 elephant, 2 dogs, 3 cats or 3 kitties. We had 4 rabbits and we had 5 mice. Well done, everyone. Let's sing. So remember, we started doing the song at the beginning of the week. So are you ready to continue? Let's quickly do the first 5 and then we go on to the last 5. The animals went in 2 by 2, hurrah, hurrah. The animals went in 2 by 2, hurrah, hurrah. The animals went in 2 by 2, the elephant and the kangaroo, and they all went into the ark to get out of the rain. Dum, dum, dum. The animals went in 3 by 3, hurrah, hurrah. The animals went in 3 by 3, hurrah, hurrah. The animals went in 3 by 3, the wasp, the ant, and the bumblebee, and they all went into the ark to get out of the rain. Boom, boom, boom. The animals went in 4 by 4, hurrah, hurrah. The animals went in 4 by 4, hurrah, hurrah. The animals went in 4 by 4, the great hippopotamus stuck in the door. Oh no, oh, he's stuck. And they all went into the ark to get out of the rain. Tum, tum, tum. The animals went in 5 by 5, hurrah, hurrah. The animals went in 5 by 5, hurrah, hurrah. The animals went in 5 by 5 by hunting each other they kept alive. And they all went into the ark to get out of the rain. Boom, boom, boom. The animals went in 6 by 6, hurrah, hurrah. Can you do this? The animals went in 6 by 6, hurrah, hurrah. The animals went in 6 by 6. They turned out the monkey because of his tricks. Let's slow that down. They turned out the monkey because of his tricks. And they all went into the ark to get out of the rain. Boom, boom, boom. The animals went in 7 by 7. Can you show me 7? 7 by 7, hurrah, hurrah. The animals went in 7 by 7, hurrah, hurrah. The animals went in 7 by 7, and the little pig thought he was going to heaven. And they all went into the ark to get out of the rain. Boom, boom, boom. The animals went in 8 by 8. Can you show me 5 fingers and 3? 8 by 8, hurrah, hurrah. The animals went in 8 by 8, hurrah, hurrah. The animals went in 8 by 8. The tortoise thought he was gonna be late. The tortoise thought he was going to be late, and they all went into the ark to get out of the rain. Boom, boom, boom. The animals went in 9 by 9. Can you show me 9? 4 here, 5. 9 by 9, hurrah, hurrah. The animals went in 9 by 9, hurrah, hurrah. The animals went in 9 by 9, come marching up in a long straight line. And they all went into the ark to get out of the rain. Boom, boom, boom. The animals went in 10 by 10, hurrah, hurrah. The animals went in 10 by 10, hurrah, hurrah. The animals went in 10 by 10. The last one was the little red hen. Do you remember our story? And they all went into the ark to get out of the rain. Boom, 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 boom. Wow, guys, that's our whole song. Can you practice the rest at home and do it over and over? Maybe make your own words. Well done. So we counted from 2 to 10. Practice showing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 on your fingers. Good job. So, things to do at home. Can you draw our honeybee poem from yesterday and from the week? Go and revise it. Can you make a whale from recyclable material? Remember, tomorrow is Earth Day. That means we want to use all our recyclables to make things, and so we can reuse them. So make Wally the whale out of some paper plates. Color it. You will need paint or crayons. You'll need something for the eyes, something for the blowhole, something like a pipe or a straw or pipe cleaners or anything like that to make the blue water. I would love to see those pictures. Then, of course, there's something for you to do online. You can find this at Africa Teen Geeks, and this is some tracing work to help and find our animals' homes. Do you see what I'm doing? Can you stay nicely on the line better than me? This is just some pre-writing work for you. So our theme is alone we can do so little, but together we can do so much more. Remember, this week in World Environment Day, if we all help clean the earth and recycle and do all exciting stuff with each other together, we can keep the world clean and we can learn and have fun. So, on that note, join me tomorrow, Friday, 5 June, where we are going to learn all about World Environment Day. We are going to learn about recycling and all the things we can do to help planet Earth. I am so excited. I can't wait to share this with all of you. So join us tomorrow to find out about all the nice things you can do to help our planet. There are all our guidelines on what you can do to help your little one at home. And then, of course, what we did today, we listened and then understood the questions and then identified animals, fish, insects. We are drawing at home and practicing. We continue to remember, write our names at home. We did the months. We did our day of the week, which of course is Thursday, and winter as a season. We greeting, we counted, we did our song with some actions, and remember, especially our fine motor skills with our fingers, and we are tracing, and we found objects in busy pictures. Remember, Mom and Dad, that is one of our outcomes, is to find busy things. So where's Waldo, or finding things in magazines and pictures and books is great ways to practice this at home. Are you ready to call Booby and Gary to say goodbye? Can you say, Booby, Gary? Let me hear you guys. I can't hear you. Say, Booby. Hey, guys. Yes, Booby, there was lots of pictures. Will you show me your Wally the Whale? Are you going to make one? Great, Gary. Fantastic. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye. Goodbye. We had some fun. We had some fun today. Goodbye. 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 Now let's go and play. Goodbye, everyone. See you tomorrow.